This year, let's do something different. Let's do a vision board together with women around the world. 500, 1,000, 2,000 women all at the same time drawing a picture of their future. We want to break the Guinness World Record. And so we want you to come and join us to draw a picture of your future so that you can achieve your goals faster. When you draw a picture of the future like this, you put it somewhere you can see it every day, and then you take small actions on it, you increase your chance of success by 42%. I mean, 42%, who wouldn't want that? I know I would. And so it's very simple. You'll get a template from me, and then you gather all your pens and paper and everything you need around you. You make some space for 1 hour, and on February 1st, you're gonna draw that picture of the things you long for. And then you're gonna have a whole community of people to help support you and cheer you on and tell you, you got this, you can do it. Every time some limiting belief surfaces its ugly head, you're gonna push it down, push it away, and keep going. And that's how you achieve your goals. It's all about community and having fun, envisioning the future that you long for. Your imagination and playfulness is the key to you moving and accelerating yourself to success. So join us February 1st. I can't wait to see you there. Let's do this.